On a rain-soaked riverbank, a dedicated miner begins confidently uncovering hidden nature's secret treasures with careful, deliberate precision. The gentle rhythm of extraction and ambient light evokes profound reflections on resilience, wonder, and transformative power of Earth. A focused close-up reveals a dark green emerald emerging as precise tools extract hidden beauty from rugged soil. This intimate moment deepens our understanding of nature's quiet artistry and the enduring mystery within every stone beyond time. Energetic extraction unfolds as a miner carefully lifts a vibrant emerald from rain-damp earth with quiet, steadfast determination. The scene captures an inspiring blend of human effort and nature's gentle, persistent call for renewal that stirs hope. Dual revelations emerge as a brilliant blue gemstone and a vibrant emerald share Earth's hidden canvas in harmony. Their simultaneous unveiling speaks softly of nature's transformative beauty and rare serendipitous encounters, inviting each soul to embrace wonder. A serene cleaning ritual unfolds as a stream of water gently washes away nature's lingering mud with grace. This tranquil process symbolizes rebirth, highlighting the purity and delicate awakening of hidden treasures in every deeply reflective moment. Intense scrutiny follows as a large emerald crystal is examined under bright, revealing light, displaying inherent timeless clarity. Each precise rotation invites viewers to marvel at nature's flawless dance between brilliance and time, capturing eternal, subtle wonder. A cautious prospector in a yellow hard hat unearths a vivid green gemstone from rich, muddy terrain carefully. His measured efforts and steady gaze reflect an unwavering respect for nature's purposeful, evolving artistry, inspiring future hidden marvels. A smiling prospector proudly displays a freshly uncovered green gemstone before beginning another precise extraction with calm dignity. This joyful moment bridges past triumphs and present endeavors, echoing nature's infinite capacity for renewal, resonating deep, eternal hope. A graceful sequence unfolds as a blue gemstone is methodically cleaned, revealing a hidden clear crystal with care. The process intertwines meticulous human touch with nature's unpredictable artistry, celebrating the emergence of refined beauty in quiet awe. A dramatic close-up captures rough diamonds and emeralds emerging amid rugged, muddy rock crevices with stunning, raw immediacy. The powerful imagery invites deep introspection and humble admiration for nature's fierce elemental processes, reminding us of our eternity. A sweeping pan reveals a large blue-green gemstone nestled among ancient, rain-washed rock formations in unparalleled natural grandeur. This majestic view stirs reflective contemplation, honoring centuries of Earth's silent, resilient evolution and whispering endless soulful secrets profoundly. A delicate close-up captures a hand extracting a vibrant emerald alongside an opalescent stone from rugged crevices gently. This intimate extraction symbolizes nature's timeless interplay between human determination and the Earth's hidden wonders, awakening eternal, boundless hope.
Iyo. Oh. Oh. Whoa. Ui. Ấy à. Ít. Ít kìa. Ôi giời. Watch me there. Wow. Okay. 哇，真漂亮！咦呀，哦呀，吼吼吼！咦咦咦咦咦！哦，掉了！哇！吼吼！哎呦，完美，完美的绿宝石！哦塞！哇！哦塞！哎哎哎！我的，哦吼！哇！哎呀呀！哇塞！哎哎呀！嗯呀哇！哎呀哎呀哎！哦！哇！哦塞！哇，漂亮啊！哟哟！哎呀！哇！这是个什么石头？哎呀呀呀呀呀！哎哎哎哎哎哎哎哎哎呀！哇塞！看看，哎呀！哦塞！哎，下来下来！哎，我们睡睡。哦！哎呀呀！哟吼！哎呀！嗯，咦？哦！哇！真是！吼吼！哦！哎呀！嘿呀！嘿呀！嘿呀！哇！咦，哎，下来。哦塞！哦！哇！哇塞！哎呦！